it's Veronica, and I'm here today to talk about my Bagsmart rolling briefcase and laptop holder, but I'm going to show you what this looks like on the inside. I'm going to give you some pros and cons, so just stay tuned. So, just looking at it closely, it is fabric, and it has so many pockets. It has front zip pockets. I use this when commuting back and forth. I work from home, but sometimes I have to go into the office. So this bag is very convenient for that. I can put my ID or, I don't know, money, whatever in this front pocket. It holds change. It holds office supplies. This pocket as well. You see it opens well, and you can put pens in there. I have a notebook in there as well. It has another pocket. You can put a notebook or something else. It still has space here. And I also like the feature of how it snaps the handles together on front. And then you open this part, and this is where you can put your laptop. My laptop is nowhere near this big, but as you can see, it's a lot of space. And then you can also Velcro it down so it's not moving around. It has mesh pockets here. Turn it around so you can see it also has pockets here. Then you've got room in here for file folders or notebooks or spiral notebooks, binders, whatever you may need. And this bag also can work as a carry-on. I don't know if it fits TSA standards, but I do know that you can put clothing and things in here. I see that it has this here to hold your clothing. Right now I have some interdepartmental envelopes in here, and just want to show you, again, lots of room. There's another zipper mesh pocket that you could use for travel, and this section even Velcros apart, as you can see here on both sides. So it's really, really a great bag. For the back, it has this luggage loop that you can put onto your rolling suitcase. It also rolls because it has the handle here, as you can see. You just press the button on the top and it goes all the way back in and zips closed. And also it has nice rubber wheels, and I've had this bag a little over 6 months now, and it's been through the rain and all types of weather with me. I haven't had a problem with it. Nothing inside got soaked. It is a really great bag. I just, the only thing I would say is to just think about what type of terrain you're rolling it over. Just be mindful of that. It is a bag, and also be mindful of what you're putting inside, because everywhere may not be accessible to roll. So if it's not, then you would have to pick this up and carry it, and you just need to be mindful of how heavy this bag could get if you're not able to roll it. But other than that, it really is a great bag, and it works for my needs.